Hello, guys. I hope you all are good. And today, I just want to take you to a local market in Jaipur, in Bhankrota, where I live. I just want to show you what are the things you can buy over there. And yeah, let's go. So every Tuesday, this market happen like from evening to till 9 p.m. Evening, you can say 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this is the market. Once you enter, you can feel this jalebi, the Indian sweet, and some snacks. Yeah, I know this is COVID time, but still people come and buy because in this locality, actually, it is outskirt of the Jaipur, so there are not that much, COVID cases. But still, I was wearing a mask and all, so you can see the crowd. Everything you can find here, like vegetables. So these are some fresh vegetables, potatoes, and in a very cheap price. Like, I mean, onions. You can see fruits. You can see clothes and many more. Whatever you want, you can just. It's a daily market. You can say daily in Jaipur, like in India. Like almost every part of the country there will be a daily market which happen in there some weekdays. So in this place it happened in Tuesday, and in my place where I was staying, my hometown, Sunday there is a market. So it's similar like that only, but like the vegetables are little different. Here the carrots are in red color, in our place it's orange color. So this is the market, and in like this here in this market you can get things in a very cheap price. Actually, in like normal, if the potato will be costing 20 rupees per kg, here you can get in 10 rupees. Yeah, so these are lemons. I just wanted to buy some lemon, and I because you can store the lemon. I am just making a pickle so I bought this, but this one was not good, so I just want to have some papaya over here. So I was just looking for the. So these are papayas. I was just searching for the smallest one because, yeah, I stay alone and who will eat? I'll share with my roommates. I mean, my hostel mate, but people usually don't like papaya. So I found one, and now let's weight it. How much it? This is also looking nice, but this will get destroyed very easily. So you won't believe, I was just literally asking the shopkeeper, is there any smaller papaya than this one? Because it this small, I know this is the smallest one, but still it will take me like the entire week to finish, and I really don't want to waste it. Because my mom usually say like kina hahor thutoleke mangko, that mean the duck which you buy from market, they have meat till their beak. So yeah, these are bananas. In my hometown there are lots of other variety of bananas you can find, but in North India only this kind of banana, the long one, you can find. I was just asking, is there any small other variety? He was like, no ma'am, just search other banana, no, the smaller and you will find. He didn't understand my question. Okay, leave him. So let's move forward now. Okay, you can see the crowd. There are lots of people like that, and I feel like the entire Bhankrota come in this market. So if you're staying nearby, so I recommend you to please visit this market, because you'll definitely find something for you. Like, so yeah. So these are the sweet shop, and now let's go to the ladies part. So these are like, there you can see the Mangal Sutras, and these are ladies products, and these are like utensils of plastic and masala. I'll just say, if you don't have good knowledge about masala, then don't buy from open store, because they'll make you fool. And these are clothes again. And yeah, those are again Mangal Sutra and other jewelries. And these are again the same plastic thing. I don't buy from this shop. I'll tell you from which shop you should buy, because they have more varieties and the products are really good, because I'm also using that. So these are again the jewelry thing. And these are kurti. Okay, the kurti which you find online in 1,000-2,000 bucks, here you will get in 350, like that. But the size is not appropriate. Only XL is available. So yeah, these are chappals, Jaipuri chappal, which you can buy in 100 rupees. But the quality matters. The quality is not that good. Yeah, I'll say that. But yeah, for one time, if you want to wear it, if you have more money, then you can buy it. And these are again toys and watches in 100 rupees again. And this was the shop I was talking about. Here there are lots of products, and these are really good. Whatever you want, you can definitely buy. I mean, you can find for yourself. everything is available here. The mirror, the cups, the mugs, every kitchen thing, and everything you can find over here. And I have lots of love from the shop, and the auntie is very good. So this is one more shop, the local sweet shop. This is Indian what it is called, I don't know, reddish, yeah, I know. Again, I was looking for some this, can you see that little boy? He's also he like doing marketing. I not marketing, I mean doing business. And yeah, these are also capsicum and other veg, and the radish and the onions and some fruits again. And I was just roaming, and I was just holding my camera because people were literally staring at me like what I was doing. So, but still, and these are pomegranate, and this is papaya again. This is a guava. This is a ripe one. This is not the season of guava, I guess, so I didn't pick much. And these are carrots. How beautifully, I told you na, this, see the red color. In my place it's generally orange in color, but here the carrot is red. So these are lemon here. The lemon are nice. I just wanted but the price was high, like it was saying 20 rupees, but I went to a shop where they was giving me 15 rupees. So why, like 5 rupees also 5 rupees, right? So I went to, this is pineapple. I'll come here later on, I'll show you a video of nicely. So yeah, let's move forward and let's find some lemon. Okay, so let's see, is there any lemon? Yeah, there is lemon, but let's see. This lemon are not good. See, these are brown. So while choosing your lemons, you should, I saw my mom while doing marketing, the lemon should not be brown from outer side, because that lemon, not good. But this lemon was good. So these are again 15 rupees. So here you have to search when you're in a local market, search, because, and I buy this in my place, this lemon is really expensive. In 10 rupees you can buy only 2, but here in 15 rupees I buy like around 15 or 16 pieces. This uncle was really good. He was like, oh, you make video, okay, take my shot as well. So I was like, okay uncle, smile. So these are vegetables again. Let me take you to the pineapple shop now. See how fast he's doing. Actually, I put the video on faster mode, that's why. But still, he was doing good. The papaya, per plate it was 10 rupees, with the papaya not really nice. I really don't like the taste. But the masala which was there, I mean, it was generally black salt only. So yeah, it was nice. I mean, it's fine, you can have it. But I like papayas, that's why I have those. And now let's come to the sweet shop. Jalebi is my favorite. This is like in India, in every household, there will be one person who loves jalebis crazy, and this is dal vada here, like dal pakoda, not vada. This is very famous in Jaipur. So in winters, in every shop you can find this. So here, can you see, he's making jalebis, and hot jalebis and serving. And I took some only few, like, because I don't like much sweet, so only. And this is a shop, okay, this is like sweet shop or bakery shop, whatever you can say. You can find here snacks and namkeens and the biscuits, like baked one, dates, and many more. So yeah, that was all about Bhankrota Tuesday market. In general, like in Hindi it will be said Mangal Bazaar. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.